What's going down? It's Matt with Smoke Game Strong. We got another episode of the Smoke Show. Guess what we're doing today? We got a goat shank. So I brined this thing for the last 2 days in salt, sugar, and water, pretty much, a little bit of herbs. Try to keep it pretty basic, get the flavor of the meat to come out. We are gonna do a Greek pita with this bad boy. I got the all-purpose Greek seasoning. We're gonna do some tzatziki sauce on it. It's gonna be super legit. We're gonna smoke it for a little bit on the Chud box and then braise it in a nice sauce and probably do some tomato base, something similar to that. Bring it out, make it fall apart, hit it with that bomb diggity. So let's get this bad boy seasoned up. So I'm gonna season it and then put it back in the fridge to dry brine just a bit to pull some more moisture out. Help it get that flavors all the way in there. I'm excited. I've never done a goat shank. I've only done a few things of goat in my life, some chops and stuff like that. This came from Windy Hill, local butcher, literally delivered this to my house. Straight from the farmer, can't beat that. So this is as fresh as it literally gets. Straight from Texas. They say they have more goats in Texas than in any other state. So you know what they say, eat more goat. So check back, I'm gonna get this bad boy in the Chud box. What's going down? All right, we got the goat shank, man. Actually, temperature raised up a little high on me. Haven't checked it out yet. Let's see what it looks like real quick. Cooking up nice, a little hot, but we're gonna braise it here shortly. Getting that nice post-oak smoke. It's going down, smoke game. Let's check it out. It's been on for about 2 hours now. I just popped in the braise to get hot. Getting some nice color. Smells great. Neighbor just texted me, said he could smell it from down the street, so we're on point. So Smoke Game Strong coming through with the goat shank Euro coming up. Just got the juices in there to braise and get them warmed up. Pop that goat shank in there. It's going down. Goat shank Euro's coming up. All right, goat shank's been on for a while now. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, pulled off from the bone. We're gonna pop it right here into the Dutch oven real quick. What we got going? Looking right. For about another hour till it's tender to the touch. All right, just pulled the goat shank off from Windy Hill. Check out this bad boy. Oh man, pulled apart. I'm not even messing with it. It doesn't even, I'm barely even touching it. Juices. I got a fresh pita from the local Phoenicia. Tzatziki next. Homemade fresh tzatziki, cucumber from the garden. Hit it with that two-step meat, tzatziki, pita. Boom, baby, smoke game. Going down, smoke game.